Prepare pieces that share the same geometry in the grading with the macro Create staggered size grading. The interlining piece for this cuff will not be graded for each individual size. Instead, every 3 sizes will share the same geometry. Start the macro and select the piece or pieces. The editor displays the sizes included in the grade rule table. On the left side you can select the size that determines the geometry, and on the right side select the sizes that will be grouped together. Pay attention to the information regarding the selection. Only one size can be selected on the left, whereas the selection on the right side can include one or multiple sizes. Once selected, confirm with OK. The editor will open again. Repeat the previous step by selecting the size for the geometry on the left and mapping it to the sizes on the right. The sizes that were selected in the previous step are no longer displayed here. Confirm with OK to open the editor again. This process will be repeated until all sizes on the right side of the editor have been mapped to the geometry. Grade values will be recalculated, resulting in staggered sizes.